What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here, and quarantine is still going strong. I put some deep conditioner in my hair yesterday and I still have yet to wash it out, so today I'm sharing with you guys something that I've been so passionate about, as I am a very naturally pale person who desires to look like I have a little bit of color on my face. I'm also very passionate about sunscreen, so the chances of me getting any color on my skin naturally are slim to none. So today I'm sharing with you my favorite bronzers for the spring and the summertime. Well, and all year round, let's be honest. Actually just put a fresh layer of self-tan on, so if I look like a little bit greenish, that's why. I have 3 products to talk about today, and I am so completely and utterly obsessed with all of them for different reasons. Okay, so first I want to talk to you about my favorite cream bronzer slash contour. This is the Nude Stix Bondi Bay All Over Face Color. This is like the perfect shade for so many skin tones. It's basically a cream product like this. I like to apply this in like the hollows of my cheekbones, my little nose, my forehead, basically anywhere you would use like a cream contour, but it blends out so effortlessly. It's such a pretty universal color, and I usually use like a wet beauty blender. There we go. And it just blends out so nicely. It's so creamy, and it's such a pretty shade on my skin tone, and I've seen it be used on several other different skin tones, and it is just beautiful. I definitely like to layer my bronzer, so I will usually use this first and then a powdered bronzer on top to really accentuate the bronze situation. Okay, next is my all-time favorite bronzer that I've been using since I was probably like 14, maybe older. I don't know. I don't even know how long this has been out, but this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Park Avenue Princess bronzer, and this is such a beautiful creamy bronzer, you guys. This is definitely one that has shimmer in it. It's not like a matte bronzer, as you can see. Let me just put it in my little hand here. It blends so nicely, and it definitely has some shimmer to it, but it's so finely milled that you don't walk out of the house looking like Edward Cullen or like you sprayed glitter all over yourself. It's a very, very subtle, more of like a glow shimmer than like a glitter bomb went off. I really like Tarte. I love their blushes as well, but this is just such a pretty bronzer, and I'm so obsessed with this. And finally, this is something new that I discovered, and this is the Laura Mercier Candleglow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shade number 4. So this is actually not a bronzer per se. This is actually like a setting powder, and this shade is in number 4, and it's like a very warm brown, like very dark brown. But what I really love about this is it's very sheer, and it does give this effect to your skin. It's sort of like a more luminous glow. Let me see if I can swatch this. It's definitely more of a powdery finish than like the other bronzer that I was talking about, but it's very, very sheer, and you can build it up, but it's like a very sheer, warm glow. I really like to use my Nude Stix as like a contour all over, and then I go ahead and go in with this, and it really just warms up my whole face and gives me sort of like a healthy from within glow, versus like, here is my bronzer and I'm putting it in these areas, if that makes sense. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what your favorite bronzer is down below, and I'll see you guys next week.